Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 3 Playing with Numbers Exercise 3.1 Question 1. So, write all the factors of the following numbers. Some numbers are given, we need to write their factors, right? So, first up we have 24. Now, we need to find a number which will multiply 24, which will divide 24 completely without leaving any remainder. What is a factor? A number which divides the other number without leaving any remainder is known to be its factor. Okay, so 24. If you start from 1, if you multiply 1 by 24, what will you get? 24 only. So, this is also giving us a number, right? So, we need to see that if it is multiplying here, so we can also say that it is a fraction, it is a factor. Then if you take 2, so if you multiply 2 by 12, what will you get? 2 into 12. So, that will also give you 24. Now, you need to keep one thing in mind. How will we find out the factors? You will think these numbers are only the factors. So, no, these are not the only factors. These numbers here, they are also the factors. Okay, so both of these numbers are factor except this 24 which you are getting, right? So, now we will continue. So, let us see. Now, 3, if you see 3, 3 8 is what? 3 8 is 24 again. 4 6 is 24, right? You have to keep on multiplying. Okay, then let us see the let's say 5 will it multiply? No, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s will be 25. It will be not multiplying it. 6, yes, I have told you 6 4s is 24, but those two factors are coming in this. Okay, see, 6 into 4 we can do, but 4 is also taken and 6 is also taken. So, we cannot say that we cannot do it like this. We need to stop here. So, that means these are the factors of the number 24, that are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24. So, if you divide the 24 by these numbers, you will get 0 in the remainder. Next, we have 15. So, again we will start from 1 and let us see. So, 1 into 15, what will it give us? 15. So, that means 1 is also a factor of 15. Okay, 2 if you will see, 2 into 7 will be 14, which is the closest to 15. But if you multiply any number, you will not get 15 if you multiply any number by 2. So, after 14, 2 into 8 comes, that is 16. So, 15 is being missed here. So, 2 is not a factor. Then 3. So, yes, we can take 3 here as well. 3 into 5 is what? 15. 4, no, not again. You can see 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So, again 15 is getting missed here. So, we cannot take 5 is already done in 3 into 5. You can see 5 is here. So, that means these are the only 4 factors which we have found of 15. What are they? 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are all the factors of 15. Next number is 21. Okay, so again from 1 we'll start. Remember this thing, 1 is a factor of every number. So, you can even exclude 1 while you are multiplying, but when you are writing the factors, then you have to write 1 in that. So, we will start from 2 because 1 is factor of every number. So, 2 into 20, 2 into 10 is 20 and 2 into 11. 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22. Again 21 is not coming, 22 and 20 are there. So, again we cannot take 2. 3, if you see 3 into 7, what will you get? 3 into 7, we will get 21. So, this is a factor. Then 4, no, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, again we are not getting 20. 5, again no, why? Because 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25, we are missing it. 6, again no, we cannot get it. 7, we can, 7 3s are 21, but it is already taken over here. Okay, so now if you will count, there will be no whole numbers which you can find in this. So, that means we can say that 1 3 and 7 are the factors? No, we will put 21 here as well, because 1 into 21 will be 21. So the second number will also be a factor. So 21 is also a factor of what? 21 itself. So you can also keep one thing in mind, that the number itself is the factor of that number. Now we will solve the next part. So here D is 27. Now again, if you start, 1 is always a factor of a number, 2 will not divide it, and you can also take one rule for 2, that the digit at the ones place should be 2, 4, 6 or 8 or 0. It can be. If these digits are at the ones place, then the number will be divisible by 2. But here we have 7, so it is not divisible by 2. Then 3, if you see 3 into 9, 3 9s are 27. So we are getting 27. So 3 is also a factor of 27, right? Then next we have 4. 4 you can see, again it will not go. Why? Because 28 comes just after this, and before that we will get 24. So it will not be there. 5, you need to keep one thing in mind for 5 also, that the number or the digit at the ones place should be 0 or 5. Then only it will be divisible by 5. Here it is 7, so it is not divisible. 6, no, 6 is also not divisible. 27 does not come in the table of 6. 7, it also does not come. 27 does not come in the table of 7. 8, again 27 does not come in its table. 9, if you see, so it is already done over here. 9 is done, so 9 into 3 will be 27. 10, it will not come. And also for 10, the number or the digit at ones place here, it should be 0, not even 5, it should be 0, but here it is 7, so we cannot take that. 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, again 21 is missing. 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So like this you can keep on counting, but there are no more factors. So that means we have found the factors. What are those? 1 and 3 and 9, and one thing more, the number itself, 27. So these all are the numbers which are factor of 27. Next number we have is 12. So we will start from 2. You can see 2 is at ones place, so it will be divisible and it will be a factor of 12. So here we will write 2 into 6, that is 12. Then 3 again, 3 4s are what? It is 12. Then 4 3s are 12, but 4 is already taken over here. Then 5 will not divide it. 6 2s are 12, but 6 is also taken here. 7 no, 12 7 no, 8 no. So we have found the factors 1 2 3 4 6 and number itself here, that is 12. So these all are the factors 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. These are factors of 12. Next number we have 20. So 2 into 10, 2 tens are 20, we all know. So 2 is also a factor of 20. Then 3 will not divide it. 4 20 comes in the table of 4 how many times? 5 times. 4 5s are 20. 5 is already taken here. 6 20 does not come in the table of 6. 7 it does not come in the table of 7 either. 8 no. 9 no. 10 yes, it comes in the table of 10 2 times, but it is already taken over here. So that means we have found all the factors. They are 1 2 4 5 and 10, and in the last you will write the number itself 20. So these are the numbers which are factor of 20. Next number is 18. So we will see from 2 9s are 18. So it is also dividing. Then 3 6s is also 18. So it is also dividing it, right? And then 4, no, it is not dividing. 5, no, it is not dividing. 6, so it is dividing here, but it is repeated. So you can also keep one thing in mind. When you start to get the when you start to get one factor the second time, then you have to stop there, and you have got all your factors. That is 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. So these are the factors of 18. Next number we have is 23. Now you can see 23 is what? It is a prime number. 23 does not come in any other number except what? 23 and 1 itself. So we can say the factors of 23 are 1 and 23. Why? Because it is a prime number and it is not coming in any other numbers table except 1 and 23. Next we have 36. Now we will start from 2 into, you can see 1 and 1 carried over there. So 1 and 8, 2 into 18, that will be 36. Okay, 3, if you see 3 into 12. Okay, so 3 tens are 30, 3 twos are 6, 30 plus 6, 36. Okay, then 4 nines are, we have studied, 4 nines are is 36. 5 will not divide it because the digit at one's place has to be 0 or 5. It is 6, so it is not that. Then 6. So 6, if you see 6 into 11, right? 6 into 11, no, but 6 into 6 is going to give us what? 36. Then 7, will it divide it? No, it will not. 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. Okay, then 8. So 8, if you see, yes, no, it will not divide it. Why? Because it is not coming in the table of 8. 9 is already done over here, so we have to stop here. All the repeating factors are coming, so that means our answers or the factors will be 1 2 3 4 6 6, and this 6 is here, so you will write these two one time only. 9 and 12 and 18, and in last we will write the number itself, 36. So these are the factors of 36. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.